Today, people in Wood County plan to call for action against the development of data centers.
And this comes after the continued development of those projects that began last year. Laura Sandlin joins us live this morning near the data center that's being built in Middleton Township. So, Laura, what are these residents asking for?
Tim, Sophia, residents are asking for a one-year moratorium placed on data centers in Wood County. However, those at the Economic Development Office say it's not that easy. According to the Economic Development Executive Director, Wade Gottschalk, he says that the Development Office does not legally have the ability to place a moratorium on the development due to zoning and land use. Gottschalk explained the office evaluates data centers the same way as any other industrial project, focusing on economic benefits, job creation, tax revenue, and the overall impact of local infrastructure. Common concerns that have been shared related to data centers include land use, a power grid strain, as well as the overall project size. However, Gottschalk explained the Planning Commission only makes recommendations and not binding decisions due to the way zoning changes broadly change across the county. For example, industrial parcels only allow industrial projects, the same going for residential or anything else. Some areas of Wood County are unzoned, meaning there are no local land use restrictions beyond state and federal regulations, and projects can proceed without specification. Overall, Gottschalk says zoned or unzoned, the Planning Commission doesn't have the legal authority to place a moratorium, and if enacted, it would need to come from local jurisdictions, as the county does not approve or deny individual projects, meaning zoning decisions are local and power decisions are regional.
Our prosecutor's office looked into this, and they don't believe there's any authority that the Planning Commission has to issue a moratorium specific to data centers or really anything else. That doesn't really is something they can do. Part of it is when we go back to their kind of mandate, what they do. It's they make recommendations based on zoning changes in general, as opposed to any kind of specific use changes.
Now tonight at 5:30, the Planning Commission will be hosting their monthly meeting on the 5th floor of the Wood County Courthouse, where citizens are invited to share their concerns and any other questions that they might have. We'll be sure to keep you up to date both on air and online at WTOL.com. Reporting live in Wood County, Laura Sandlin for WTOL 11.